how to play Roblox without downloading it. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox without downloading it. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open any browser like Chrome or Edge on your PC. In the search bar, type now GG Roblox and hit enter. Click on the very first link that says Roblox Play on Now GG. Wait for the site to load completely. Once you're on the page, click on the Play in Browser button. Now, a new window will appear. You may be asked to sign in to your Roblox account. Just enter your username and password like you normally would. After logging in, the Roblox game player will load directly in your browser, no installation needed. From here, you can search for any game you like and start playing right away. Remember, this method works best with a stable internet connection for smooth performance. You can also use this method on mobile browsers if you don't want to install the app. That's all for the video. If you found it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.